Hello, my dear friends. If you're over 60, you already know. Keeping your home fresh and welcoming is important, but so is keeping yourself healthy, strong, and full of energy. The truth is, you don't have to scrub for hours or lift heavy things to have a clean, inviting home. Today, I'm going to share easy, modern, and joint-friendly ways to keep your home fresh without wearing yourself out. Instead of waiting for a big cleaning day, try what I call micro-cleaning. Spend just 5 minutes here and there during the day to tidy small areas. Wipe the bathroom sink after brushing your teeth. Straighten the living room before your afternoon tea. These little habits prevent big messes from building up, and you'll barely feel like you're cleaning at all. A fresh-smelling home always feels cleaner. Open your windows for just 10 minutes every morning, even in cooler months. Place a small bowl of baking soda in rooms to absorb odors. Use gentle essential oil diffusers, lavender in the bedroom, citrus in the kitchen. These simple steps reduce the need for constant heavy cleaning. Let technology do the hard work for you. A lightweight cordless vacuum makes floor cleaning quick and easy. A robot vacuum can quietly run while you relax. Microfiber cloths clean with just water, so you can skip the harsh chemicals and scrubbing. Another secret? Declutter. The less you own, the less you have to clean. Keep countertops clear. It instantly makes rooms look fresher. Once a week, choose one drawer or shelf and remove items you no longer use. Donate or recycle the things that don't add value to your life, and remember to protect your body while you clean. Use long-handled tools to avoid bending. Wear comfortable shoes to support your knees and back. Switch hands when dusting or wiping to avoid strain on one side. There are also little daily freshness boosts that make a big difference. Make your bed first thing in the morning. Keep a multi-purpose spray in the kitchen for instant cleanups. Empty trash cans before they get too full. And most importantly, let go of perfection. Your home doesn't have to look like a magazine. It needs to feel comfortable, safe, and welcoming. Focus on the spaces you use and love the most, and let the rest be. Friends, your energy is precious. Save it for the people and activities you love. With a few smart habits and the right tools, you can keep your home fresh and inviting without wearing yourself out. Remember, your home should work for you, not the other way around. Instead of waiting for one big cleaning day, break your tasks into short, simple moments, what I like to call micro-cleaning. It's easier on your body, it saves your energy, and it keeps your home from getting messy in the first place. Think about it this way. You don't wait until your garden is overgrown before trimming it. You do a little here and there so it always looks nice. Cleaning can be the same. For example, wipe the bathroom sink and mirror right after brushing your teeth. Take a minute to straighten up the living room before sitting down for your afternoon tea. If you notice crumbs on the counter, swipe them away immediately instead of waiting for cleaning day. Small actions throughout the day add up. You'll avoid that overwhelming feeling of having a long to-do list, and you won't have to spend hours bending, scrubbing, and lifting when you'd rather be resting or enjoying your hobbies. Even 5 minutes is enough. Dust a shelf, shake out a rug, or put away dishes. Spread these tiny tasks across your day, and your home will stay fresh with almost no effort. Fresh air is one of the simplest ways to make your home feel alive again. Every morning, open your windows for just 10 minutes, even if the weather is a little cool. That quick exchange of air can clear out stale odors, reduce dust, and lift your mood. You can also use natural odor absorbers to keep the air pleasant all day. A small, open bowl of baking soda in rooms like the kitchen or bathroom quietly soaks up unwanted smells. In closets or drawers, try a little sachet of dried lavender or cedar chips. They'll freshen fabrics and keep them smelling clean. Scents can also set the mood. Place a gentle essential oil diffuser in your living spaces. Lavender in the bedroom for calm, citrus in the kitchen for a fresh, bright feeling, or peppermint in the entryway for an energizing welcome. Choose subtle scents that make you feel relaxed rather than overwhelmed. The key is consistency. A quick burst of fresh air, a touch of natural fragrance, and a little odor control will keep your home feeling fresh without the need for heavy sprays or chemical cleaners. Modern cleaning tools can save you hours of effort and protect your joints at the same time. A lightweight cordless vacuum, for example, is much easier to handle than a heavy upright model. You can quickly move from room to room without dragging cords or bending to plug and unplug. For floors, consider a small robot vacuum. You can set it to run while you're relaxing, reading, or even taking a nap. Many models can be programmed to clean on a schedule, so your floors stay tidy with almost no work from you. When it comes to dusting and wiping, microfiber cloths are a game changer. They pick up dust more effectively than paper towels and work with just water. No need for harsh cleaners that can irritate your skin or lungs. Keep a few in different rooms so they're always within reach. Other helpful tools include long-handled dusters for ceiling fans and baseboards, spray mops for quick kitchen cleanups, and adjustable cleaning poles for reaching high shelves without climbing a step stool. Each small upgrade makes cleaning faster, safer, and far less tiring. A fresh home starts with less clutter. The fewer things you have sitting out, the less time you'll spend dusting, moving, and organizing. Think of clutter as silent mess. It might not be dirty, but it makes a room feel heavy and harder to keep clean. Start with your countertops. Clear them of anything you don't use every single day. A clean, open surface instantly makes the kitchen or bathroom feel fresher, even if you haven't scrubbed a thing. Next, make decluttering a regular habit. Instead of waiting for a big spring clean, choose one drawer, shelf, or corner each week. Ask yourself, do I use this? Do I love this? If the answer is no, it's time to donate, recycle, or throw it away. For sentimental items, limit yourself to a small memory box or display area. This way, you keep the things that matter most without letting them take over your space. The less you own, the less you clean, and the more your home feels light, open, and welcoming. Cleaning should never come at the cost of your health. Protecting your body while you work is just as important as the task itself. Start by using long-handled tools whenever possible. They help you reach high spots without stretching too much, and low spots without bending down. Always wear supportive shoes with good cushioning. Even inside the house, this reduces strain on your knees, hips, and back. If you prefer slippers, choose a pair with a firm sole and arch support rather than thin, flat ones. When wiping surfaces or scrubbing, switch hands occasionally. Using the same arm for every task can lead to muscle fatigue or joint pain over time. Take short breaks every 15-20 minutes to stretch your shoulders, wrists, and lower back. If you have to lift something, even a laundry basket, bend at the knees, not at the waist, and keep the object close to your body. For heavier tasks, break them into smaller loads or ask for help. Your safety matters more than finishing the job quickly. Some chores simply don't need to be done as often as we think. Overcleaning not only wastes time and energy, but it can also wear out furniture and fabrics faster. The trick is to match the task to a realistic schedule. For example, most curtains only need washing once or twice a year, unless you have allergies or pets. Upholstered furniture can be vacuumed every couple of weeks, but deep cleaning once or twice a year is usually enough. Even mopping floors can be done every 7-10 days in low-traffic rooms instead of every other day. Laundry is another area where habits can be adjusted. If clothes aren't stained or sweaty, they can often be worn more than once before washing. This saves water, electricity, and the life of your fabrics, and it shortens your to-do list. Think of cleaning as a rotation, not a race. By spacing out the less urgent chores, you'll have more energy for the things that really make a difference in how your home feels day to day. Keeping your cleaning supplies organized can make the entire process faster and less tiring. Instead of hunting for a sponge in one cabinet and a spray bottle in another, store everything you need for basic cleaning in one portable caddy or basket. You might even create mini kits for different areas of the house. For example, a bathroom kit could hold glass cleaner, a scrubbing sponge, microfiber cloths, and gloves. A kitchen kit might include dish soap, an all-purpose spray, and counter wipes. When it's time to clean, just grab the kit for that room and get started. No extra trips back and forth. If your home has multiple floors, keep a small set of supplies on each level. This way, you won't have to carry heavy bottles or tools up and down the stairs. Labeling bottles and using color-coded cloths can also save time and prevent mix-ups. When your tools are easy to find and ready to use, cleaning becomes a quick, no-stress task instead of a drawn-out chore. One of the most powerful habits for a tidy home is the 1-minute rule. If a task will take less than a minute to do it immediately instead of putting it off. These tiny actions prevent small messes from turning into big cleaning jobs later. For example, hang up your coat as soon as you walk in, instead of draping it over a chair. Rinse and put your cup in the dishwasher right after using it. Fold the blanket on the couch before leaving the room. Each one only takes seconds, but together, they make your home feel orderly all the time. This rule works especially well in high-traffic areas like the kitchen and living room. Wiping a spill right away prevents sticky surfaces. Putting away mail daily stops clutter from piling up on the table. Even fluffing a pillow before you leave a room makes the space look more inviting. It's a simple mindset shift. Act now, not later. And over time, you'll notice your home stays cleaner without marathon cleaning sessions. If you found these tips helpful, give this video a like. It really helps the channel grow. And if you're looking for more smart, simple ways to make life easier after 60, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a new video.